We're live from Las Vegas celebrating 10 years at reInvent. I mean, you can still see people setting up at the expo hall here, but it's pretty incredible that reInvent is in its 10th year. And of course, we have some swag to help celebrate. Let's send it to Melissa Perencheril in the field. She's with Swag Masters Gabrielle and Nicole.
Thanks, Rudy. So this year is big, and it's also a little different. So we're going to talk about registration first. So Gabrielle, I hear that the badge is the #1 swag item.
Yeah. So the first thing you do when you get on site is come to registration, which is over here in this hall, and you pick up your badge. This badge is key to getting all access to the event. Depending on what you've registered for, if you're going to boot camp sessions, the badge knows. And the badge will scan you in and out of places. So what's great too is, privacy, security, some of the #1 things we focus on at AWS. We make sure this badge is secure. It is your key, it has all of your data, but it's fully encrypted. So although it's swag, it's also tech, which is super cool.
Awesome. So when's the best time to check in and check out swag?
Yeah, so we have check-in going all the time. We open at 6:30 in the morning, we go late in the evenings. My advice is to come early. The earlier you get here, the lower the lines. A lot of people aren't morning people, so you can kind of beat those crowds, not wait in line, and you can come over to check out the swag while all of the sizes are still available.
Perfect. And Nicole,
Yes.
I hear that the hoodies are quite coveted.
The hoodies are the hot ticket at reInvent every single year.
Oh no.
Drop the hat. But so we have this year's hoodie. Lines, as you can see behind us,
I love
are
the neon,
always full. The best part about the hoodies too is it's the signature item. We repeat the hoodie but change the design every year, and you'll see people walking around on campus with historical hoodies, and it's fun to see hoodies from years past.
Perfect. And what is this that Gabrielle is wearing? I love it. It's stylish.
Yeah, well, we can't forget to mention that it's the 10th reInvent, and so we have some surprise and delight moments. We're distributing these special tokens or coupons to attendees throughout the week to distribute this one-of-a-kind 10-year jacket.
Perfect. And did you make mention of backpacks? Because
Yep.
right? I feel like this
Can't
is
forget the backpack.
quite
So if you get certified
swag
on throughout the week at reInvent, you get a special backpack for those, and we love to promote certification. It's something we pride ourselves on, and so this year, special backpack for those who do that on site.
Awesome. And what about the people who are joining us virtually?
Gotta have swag for those who aren't in Vegas. So this year, new, we have Road to reInvent shirts. You can buy those on the website. People have been buying those already. We've seen those walking around on campus at reInvent as well, and they'll be available for sale throughout the week. 5 different designs, different sizes.
5.
Again, you can purchase those on our website.
All right. Well, I'll be grabbing all 5.
Nice.
All right. Last but not least, there is a mechanical bull waiting to entertain registrants. Is the mechanical bull functional?
It is fully functional, and I've been working to try to get to Nicole to try it with me, so fingers crossed for later.
It's another staple of reInvent, so gotta try it out.
Awesome. All right. I might join you in line then. All right. So fun. All right. Live from reInvent, I'm Melissa Perencheril. Back to you, Rudy, at the desk.
Looks great. I mean, thanks, Melissa. I can't wait for our customers to get the swag. I mean, that hoodie looks really cool, and the coveted 10-year jacket. I mean, as you can see, I'm a big fan of jackets myself, so I hope I can score myself one. But I'm Rudy Chetty. You're watching Live from reInvent.